Hey everyone, this is Jameson from Math Help Boards. Including graphs in your forum post hasn't really been convenient to do this far, unfortunately. A common way has been to make your graph in whatever software you use, take a screenshot of it, edit the screenshot to only include your graph, and then finally upload the image to our forum. That takes enough time to be considered annoying, in my opinion. We're working with a company called Desmos to make this process easier. I'm going to walk you through how to use a free online graphing tool to include pretty much any graph in your posts in MHB. To start, we need to make a new thread. I'll be graphing hyperbola, so I'll make my new thread in the algebra form. Okay, now we're going to go to desmos.com and launch the graphing calculator. I recommend that you take some time to play around with the calculator to check out all of the features, but it really is very intuitive for basic use. Before starting, we need to make sure we have an account with them. This is necessary to save graphs so that you can view them later and share them with others. If you click on Register, you can sign up quickly by linking to your Gmail account, or you can complete a short form with your username, password, and email for a non-Google account. We're already registered, so I'll log in now. Okay, there we are. Alright, now we're ready to graph. So I said we're going to graph a hyperbola. And there we have it. Okay, now we're ready to save the graph. In the top left-hand corner, we're going to click on Save. We need to give it a title. As you can see, I've done this a few times. Okay, if you wanted to, you could add a description, but I'm not going to. And you can also choose to share with anyone or just people you share the link with. I'm just going to leave it as it is and click Save Graph. Okay, you'll notice there are a few sharing options. You can share on Facebook, Twitter, or the third option, permalink, which is what we want. Now, you'll see this URL. The part that we need is this last bit after calculator /. We're going to copy that and now go back to Math Help Boards. In order to include a graph from Desmos and a Math Help Boards, we're going to use a BB tag called graph. So we're going to open the graph tag, paste in the code that we copied over, and close the graph tag. Now, if we preview the post, we can see that it works. And there we have it. Actually, and if you click on this, you can open it in the Desmos calculator, which is pretty neat. That might seem like a lot of work, but once you've made an account at Desmos and are familiar with the process, saving your graph and including it in Math Help Boards can be done in a matter of seconds. This is only our first step, and we're continuing to work with Desmos to make this even easier in the future.